Greetings, universe. Welcome everyone. How are you guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing great. Okay. So, what are we doing today? I see that my visuals need a little bit of an upgrade. Boop, boop, boop. Let's do it. Let's make an upgrade for the visuals so they will be connected to the sound input properly. That does happen from time to time. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see. Oh, much better. Okay, let's go. That's great. Alright. So, what are we doing today? Right. So today we are experimenting with Godot. Oh, Dave, thank you for the follow. Hello. Welcome in. How are you doing? I am going to jump into Godot really soon. Just need to set things up a little bit. Yeah. So I am doing great. Really excited about today's topic. Really excited to learn about tilemaps a little bit and to experiment with Godot more. Are you a game developer? Are you familiar with Godot in some shape or form? Okay, let's jump into Godot, but I think I wanted to set some stuff a little bit. Let's try. Yeah. I thought this would happen. So just a moment. Oh, that's interesting. There we go. Awesome. So maybe you'll be able to assist just a little bit. So I have used a tutorial just to get things started just a little bit. Thank you, Dave. Thank you. So the tutorial is by Think with Games. This person has created an interesting tutorial about hex grid in Godot. So let me show you what I have. There we go. Here it is. Oh, thank you so much. I've made it by myself. Thank you. So basically, the chat that you see on the top is a lot of HTML, CSS, JavaScript work. And also there's Starly, who is in charge of my alerts. Starly. Starly is my satellite that I kind of exist on, sort of. You could say so. Starly helps me with my alerts. So, as you can see, wherever I click, I get the position right here. I don't know if you can see. We can get the position. Thank you, thank you. Starly is happy to hear that you think he's cute. Yeah, so as you can see, here are the positions of where I am clicking. Now, I really am not familiar at all with tile maps and moreover with tiles at all. So this is just a quick tutorial that I've gone through just to kind of get the hang of it, just a really tiny bit. So I think the first thing we would like to read the documentation a little bit to see how that one works. How local to map works. How this one works, just to be sure we understand. Returns the map coordinates of a cell containing the given local position. If local position is in global coordinates, consider using local. Yes, we are. Okay. So that makes a lot of sense. We are using local. So far, so good. Now, the next thing that I need to figure out is how to create. Let me think. I need to create different shapes. I need to create different shapes of the hexagons. So it's like I need a couple of them together. I suppose I will come to the tile set right here. And okay, so this is just one of them, right? What if I would like to combine them together? So they will be one under the other or one on top of the other. I mean, let's first. There we go. So first, I will create like my map, I suppose. This is 3 and this is 4. If yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is my grid so far. That would be it. Now, let's assume that I want to create another shape, which will be like something like, I don't know, like something like this maybe. Mm. Is there a way for me to create this shape in the alternative tiles? Let's see. I will probably need to go read some kind of a tutorial. Probably. To get to it. Because this is something I'm not familiar at all with. Yeah, and this is literally my first time with tile maps. Like, I should have probably started with the square ones. Okay, so first I need to create a tile set, right? Actually, I do have a tile set already. I need a new tile map node. I already have a tile map node. Allez! Okay, I think I will look for some kind of a tutorial to read from, maybe. Let's see. Creating the environment. Creating a tile map is an important step in setting up a platform game. I don't want to make a platform game, but sure. So, actually, this tutorial that I'm looking into is teaching me on how to create tile maps. But it will create individual pieces. Okay, maybe I should first update. Maybe I should first update the PNG of the hack script. Maybe I should do that first. Okay. I'll do that. I'm not sure this is the right way, but I can try. I can try it first. We'll see. Okay, maybe let's read the documentation. I'm gonna read the documentation real quick. It's not gonna be quick, but it's gonna be a thing. Grid maps in 2D. Let's see. A tile map is a grid of tiles used to create a game's layout. Sure. There are several benefits to using tilemap layer nodes to design your levels. Oh, I thought. After creating the tileset resource, click the value to unfold it in the inspector. We did this one. The default tile shape is square, but you can choose isometric, half offset square, or hexagon. If using a tile shape other than square, you may also need to adjust the tile layout. Enabling rendering UV clipping property may be useful if you wish tiles to be clipped by their coordinates. This ensures tiles cannot draw outside their location. Okay, I think we did that part already. If we're relying on automatic tiles creation. Okay. What if we have an item or a tile which is supposed to be not a tile, an object. If we want to have an object that consists of multiple tiles. Maybe first thing I need to do is to actually create that, so maybe I should do that first. Sure. Okay. I'll give it a try first. I do wonder if I need to create them in advance. Maybe I can create them inside Godot, you know? I thought it would be possible. Yeah. I would expect as much. Yes, I did. Yes, Dave. It is my doing. Ah, thank you. I'm so happy you like the way I look. 嬉しいんです。Very happy to hear that. Now, I'm recreating the tile map. We'll see if it will work out as I'm expecting it to. boom, 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 boom. You will soon see the PNG changing. Very, very soon. There we go. Very, very soon. I would expect it to be possible, but maybe it's not. No. Okay, I'm going to explain the image. There we go. Done. Starly's in the way. Got it. There we go. Well, I see that something got messed up here. I guess it's because it should go downwards more. That's my guess. So I will update that. I will update this. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Ba-da-bum. There. Now it's not supposed to get in the way, I think. You know, it doesn't look very proportionate to me because of this space right here. It doesn't make much sense to me. So I do think we need to update the location of the hexagons. Where's the wall? This one has to go. Okay. I think now it's better, so I'm going to save it again. Going to save it again. to fix the file. I'm leaving no margins around. I hope it will be okay. Okay, let's see how it turns out now. Oh. Oh, I am from near Jupiter. I'm not very sure where I am, but let me show you. This is where I am, and I believe Jupiter is behind me. So I'm from somewhere from space. Somewhere from space. I suppose this is one of Jupiter's moons. That's my guess. Thank you. Yeah. So this is where I'm from. I'm not very entirely sure where it is. But it's not that far away from Earth, I think. That's what I think. Okay. Now we have our tile up again. Patterns, maybe? Planet SpaceC! I think you're right. I'm on Planet SpaceC. Okay, how do we... Okay, so assuming I will create a line, how will that help? Will that help somehow? It's not doing anything. Place random tile. Okay. It didn't do much. This isn't right. The atlas isn't right. Do I paint them? What's that gonna do? Not much. Great tiles in non-transparent texture regions. Okay, let's give it a try. Now, how do I move this one? This one I will delete, and this one I will delete as well. However, as for these two, maybe I can do something about these two. It's like I need to explicitly explain to Koto That the margins are supposed to be way more than... Okay, let's maybe add more separation here. Oh, nice, nice. That's not enough. And it's not very consistent, is it? It's not consistent. Okay, I'll go back to the documentation and read the documentation. Maybe it will help. Let's see. Oh, Dave, this is actually a parameter that I can play with. And I did over here. So some of the tiles are okay. The base tiles at the top are okay. But these three are getting confused right here. Maybe I will delete them. They're getting confused. I'll keep it like that for now. And go to the documentation. Hold shift to create big tiles. I will hold shift. Oh. Yeah, that doesn't work very well. I'm figuring it out. I'm trying to figure out what you're suggesting. So it says hold shift to create big tiles. Hold control to create multiple tiles. Eh? Are we getting somewhere? It won't let me. Invalid size or not enough room in the atlas for the tile. I see. Okay, I need to increase the file size to continue. Okay, I don't mind increasing the file size. Let's do it. Ooh, hello Baki, welcome in. How are you? Oh, not much, not much. I'm trying out a new project. I'm trying to understand tile maps in Godot. Godot is a game engine. Are. Hooray! Why an Android 13 though? I wonder. Dave says style maps in Godot are not my strong suit. I'm better at Unity and Unreal Engine style map system. Oh, sure, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We're here to learn. We're here to learn. We're here to broaden our horizons. Let's see. Maybe now it will work. Or still not enough. 3? Still not enough. Okay, we will expand it a little bit more then. Let's see now. Now it must work. It doesn't. Okay, it did work for one side. What about the other? Not enough room. We're almost there. We're almost there. How about now? Still not enough wiggle room. Hontoni? Nande? So strange. Okay, let's really expand it. Now there's no way. Okay. Here we go. Here we are. Now. Okay, so this is a good start. But I don't know if you can see. I have this orange outline here. And something about it isn't right. Something about it isn't quite right. Baki, is that the reason to get a new Android phone? Strange, isn't it? Are you still sick? Okay, you really need to read the documentation, I think. Let's see. I wonder if we can read it right here. What will this do? It opens up. It opens up web. It doesn't open inside. I didn't! As you can see, it's not working yet. Bucky, are you better now? Don't worry about it. I just need to read the tutorial, I suppose. Okay, let's just get to reading the tutorials. Wait, Dave, how do you learn if not with tutorials? How would you approach this problem right now without any tutorials? I mean, trying things out is what we did so far, and for me at least, it didn't work out yet. You know what I mean? Dave says, I just try, and if I fail, I go to the documentation page. Ah, actually, the tutorial is part of the documentation, actually. Like, this tutorial is literally part of the documentation on the official website. Yeah. Okay, so I see we have some kind of a concept here that is called merging several atlases into a single atlas. Using multiple atlases with a single tileset resource can sometimes be useful. Godot allows you to merge several atlases into a single atlas for easier organization. But I do believe it says it means about 2 different images and not a single image. I think that's not exactly what we need right here. I'm not sure. To merge several atlases, you must have more than one atlas created in the tileset resource. Use the 3 vertical dots menu and then open Atlas Merging tool. I don't think this is it. I see that it is possible to... Okay, in the select tool. Am I in the select tool? I see there are... It's supposed to be possible to update this. I see Starly's a little bit in the way. Let's say goodbye to Starly. Bye, Starly. I see it should be possible to... like, update this. Kazali, hello! Welcome in! How are you doing? I am currently trying to figure out how tile maps are working in Godot, and it's kind of difficult. So I'm reading a tutorial about it. But I'm currently working on... Hey! Mite mite! And this is almost what we need. Just need to align it better. Do you see? It almost works. Almost. Drag and drop or paste a tilemap selection here to store a pattern. Let's see. Maybe we can select a few of them. And store them right here. Is that an option? Yada. But we're almost there, I think. How do we drag those? Hey. Let's see. Casually says surviving mentally, but I keep myself busy with Margado. Hey. Casually, you got this, you can do it, you can go through this. I believe in you. I believe in you. You have the strength. Casually says, I am trying to animate a 3D mode document to later animate my sheep in 3D. Ah, so you're like, you're doing it on Stickman first, and then you will go for a more complicated shape. That's what I understand. Right? Good luck. I think that's the good approach. Like, I should have started with square tile map. But no, I went right into hexagons. Ah. Good luck, Dave. If you would like to share more about your project and the game that you're working on, then you can join my Discord. I mean, if you would like. I'll be curious to know what you're working on. Here we go. Hey. And good luck with the game. Kazunli says, did they implement hex grids in Godot or did you make it by yourself? Oh, no. I'm using whatever they have here in Stuart. At first, I almost planned to make it myself. But then a friend told me, hey, did you know that they already have a grid system with like hexagons already? And I was like, oh, that's interesting. Maybe we can give it a try. So here's me trying it out. And that's how it went. Word to word, I swear. I swear. I'm kidding. This is almost how it went. I think they were released at the same time. But maybe I'm wrong. Hey, look, it's almost there. It's almost the exact same. I just need to somehow update where the orange part is. I don't know how to move it. Probably it's on the setup part. Kizunli says, I make sure that I understand the process from Blender to Godot with simple shapes first. Oh, so you're using Blender for the stickman. Is that right? But so far so good. I have a walking animation and an idle animation. For the stickman? Oh, that sounds very advanced. Like, walking animation is not very easy to do, so that sounds awesome. Good job. I mean, for me, Blender and 3D in general sounds very, very daunting and scary. So, I never tried Blender, like, for real. Only a quick attempt and then I got scared and then I went more like, bye! Yeah, no, right? Blender is so scary. Only thing is that a lot of stuff are still not imported from Blender. Like bone constraints are correctly made. IK bones? Wait, what do you do about that? So it's like you're creating something in Blender and then you expect to put it into Godot, but it just doesn't get imported properly? Is that what you're saying? That's not great at all. No, that's not great. It's how do I explain it? I mean, how do you even deal with that? What if I'm just gonna do something like, oh, it's gonna move everything? That's not a good thing. It's moving everything. I cannot freestyle it. Okay. I think it used to be 8. Oh, it used to be 9. Oh, okay. So it means that I need to align it in another way. I hope it's possible. I'll have to move everything to the side and hope it works that way. It was something like that. Let's see. Almost. But I guess I should move it to the other side actually. Otherwise it's not gonna work very well. And I think I will delete one of them because they are irrelevant to me. Just a moment there. I'm updating the sprites a little bit. Okay, let's see now. Ooh! Almost perfect. Almost perfectly aligned. Eh. How do I... Look! It's almost there. Almost. Casonly says people usually animate all in Blender and they import 3D model plus animation, and this works well. Okay, so you... I mean, you said that you did the rigging and the animation in Blender already, right? But importing only the model and then animating it in Godot is more difficult. Oh. Do you need to animate it in Godot though? Oh, hello Sanko, welcome in. How are you? I am currently learning how to do grid games. I am great. Thank you for asking. I still am fiddling a little bit with this. Like I should probably move it a little bit. Hey, what's up? As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I need this hexagon to align with the other hexagon. I need to do that. I need to do it somehow. Do you see the other hexagon? I just don't know if you can see it. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if it worked. Almost there. You see, it's almost there. I guess they need to be exactly aligned. Let's see this time around. Almost. This is good, right? Oh, no worries. Thank you for stopping by. Oh, wait. This is so tricky. It's like we need more space. Maybe we need to align it with the upper one. There must be an easier way to do this that I'm unaware of. Okay, this is good. This is good. Let's give it a try. I think this is good. Bum 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 bum. Ooh, yes. We made it work. Ta-da! Ta-da! I mean, kinda. It's a little bit wonky. But we're almost there. Let's see. Move it a little bit upwards. No, downwards. Oh yeah. Look at that. Check it out. Oh yeah. I mean, it's a little bit weird. But these parts are not mine. Yeah, I said it. They're not mine. Is there a way for me to create more of these in other colors? I think yes. Let's see. Oh wait, what? What happened now? Great, an alternative tile. And now we can paint it, right? We can use another color for it. Let's use a nice blue color. Okay, well, how do we paint it? Oh, there we go. Here, that's a nice blue color right here. Ta! Not perfectly aligned at all. Eh? Why is it not painting that one? Why is it painting only two of them? Why is it not painting the other one? Right here. Like, I don't know. But it kind of works. It kind of works. So that's fun. No. Need to understand why it doesn't paint it properly. Like, I would expect you to also paint this one. Not just 2, but 3. It's weird. If it's empty, it works. But if it's not empty, then it paints only a few of them. Oh well. Now I mean, I think we can continue from here. I think we can. I can't help but wonder why it happens like that. Hmm. Now, I think we need to figure out how to assign certain properties to certain elements. No, I think first we need to figure out why it's not overriding properly. Like, why was it just one of them? And just two of them now? Eh? And this one, and this one, again, just one. Why? Maybe the alignment is not that great. Maybe I need to update the alignment. Maybe I need to find a template for a hexagon grid. I'll find a template for a hexagon grid. I'm gonna look that up. Let's see. A hexagon grid. Godot. Template. Ooh. Okay, there's like a post on Reddit for someone who's like finally figured out how to work with hex grids properly and made my own map generator. That's cool. It looks really cool. Hexagon grid Godot tile map. Maybe there is one out there. Maybe even Kenny created one. I wonder if Kenny ever created one. I don't know. Let's go to Kenny. Kenny's website. Let's see if he ever worked on hexagon grids. Ooh, he did. Interesting, interesting. Yeah, I see some nice stuff right here. Very cute. Ba-da-dum-bum, bum, bum. Okay, I'm gonna grab the hexagon tiles from Kenny. That would be nice. Edo. Complete. No, complete is no good. Details is no good. Full tiles. Yeah, let's do full tiles. Okay, I have imported other different tiles. Where do we put them? I guess here? Ooh. Auto create tiles in non-transparent textures. Yeah, last texture was modified. Would you like to automatically create it? Let's give it a try and see if it works. Yeah, no, it doesn't work very well. Well, let's see. Maybe we can make it work. Itch. Okay. Is it 64 by 64? That would be so awesome if yes. Of course not. Something like that. But I do feel like it's a 65. 65 by 98. I think. Let's add these as well. Okay. Now. Okay, so this is our tile map now. Now it seems like we need to update our tile size to be the same. I guess it's 64 by 89. How much was it in the setting up? 65 by 89. It's so weird. Hey. So weird. Doesn't feel right, does it? Oh, I see. Why does it look so weird? It's like... It's not the right way around. Eh? So weird. It's like they are vertical, but they should be horizontal. Now I see. Okay. Almost there, right? Are they properly aligned? It looks like they're not. Stacked offset? What is this? Stairs right. Stairs down. Diamond right. Still off. Guess they're stacked. So many options. So many options. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not very well aligned at all. Squares are correct. No. There are no separations and there are no margins, I think. No, there aren't any. No, that's what it's like. Maybe it's all like that. Oh, doesn't make sense. That's it. That's the right one. I mean, it looks alright without the grid. Hey, they look weird. How do I make this shape? Looks impossible. It has to be this way instead. It's like the other way around. Let's take a look. This is weird. That does not look right. This part at least. Even Kenny's assets cannot help us this day. On this very day. Me. Let's try some other spreadsheet, maybe. Maybe there's another. Oh, I see there are top tiles. There's a file called top tiles. Let's bring it. Maybe this will be it. Top tiles. Let's give it a try. Yes. Okay, they look a little bit better, I believe. They at least look symmetrical. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Such weird proportions, really. Let's try 55 on 58. They're not very aligned either. What's going on? Oh, I know what's going on. Maybe let's try 55 anyway. And just try to add some margin. Yeah. I think this is it. Right? Oh my goodness. This is horrible. What's going on? Oh, this is so bad. Oh wait, this has to be also 55, right? It's 55 on 55. Okay, that's better. Not by much, but it's better. I expected to do way more code today. Let's check all the separation at the bottom and at the top. Looks good. I mean, it looks alright. Looks alright. Let's need to add all of those as well. Okay. Oh my goodness. So bad. I don't know, I guess we can manage. We can manage with this. Boop, boop, boop. I'm just trying to make a nice grid right here. Here. Maybe they shouldn't be stacked. Should they? No, stacked the right one. Maybe it's a vertical offset? No way, no way. Yeah, so this is like it. I guess. So now it's like we need to create our own patterns here. It seems. So it's like, I guess we can take this one. Wait, what's happening right here? These are completely offsetting. Why are they so offsetting? This is a crazy offset right here. Here. We're not allowed to move it more than that. Okay. So I guess that's what we're gonna have. That's what we can have. Sure. Oh, so maybe if we used the other one, it would have been better. Like this one. Yeah, they look nicer, don't they? They look way more aligned. They're aligned way nicely. I wonder what we should do about creating patterns. I need to figure that out. See, there is not really a way around it. We do need to create patterns. Drag and drop or paste a tile map. Selection to store a pattern. How do I select? Paste a tile map selection here. So it's like graduate from this area or something. Let's try. No, it doesn't get pasted. Maybe I can, I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Now, can I select all of them? 1, 2, 3, and copy and paste them here. Can I drag it? Oh. I do not know how it works. I do not. I do not. Let's go back to the tutorial. Maybe the tutorial can help us. Let's give it a try. The Godot official tutorial. That is. Hmm. Is it part of the tile set or tile map? Probably it's part of the tile map. Let's try. Using tile maps. Introduction. A tile map is a grid of tiles used to create games layouts. There are several benefits to using tile map nodes to design your levels. First, they make it possible to draw a layout by painting the tiles onto a grid, which is much faster than placing individual sprite 2D nodes one by one. And I am sure it is more efficient as well. The memory. Second, they allow for much larger levels because they are optimized for drawing large numbers of tiles. Oh yes, of course. Finally, you can add collision, occlusion, and navigation shapes to tiles, adding greater functionality to the tile map. That's lovely. Specifying the tile set in the tile map. I see that we need to go through the tile sets first. Okay. We need to go through the tile sets first before we go to the tile maps. Hello, Dave. Welcome back. What did you work on? I'm curious. So, I am... Dave says worked on one of my mechanics and currently working on a bit of models for the scene. Ooh, so you're doing 3D modeling. So, I was able to create this tile that you see here. It's in the shape that I want it, for sure. It's the shape that I was going for. But I mean, kind of. I'm not sure this is the right way to do it because it's way too manual. I think there must be another way to combine a few tiles together. I think there should be. And to do that, I need to read the tutorial better. You need to... Oh, hello, pigeon. Hello, Sir Pigeon. Sir Pigeon. How's your game going? I remember you had like this crazy game idea. Of course I remember you. Do you remember me? That is the question though. You dropped it. どうして? Why is that? It's a... okay. I mean... Okay. Are you familiar with tiles? If you are, then do you know how to create them in Unity? It took so much time and it flopped. Creating games will always take a lot of time. It's just so many processes that you need to go through. Of course it will take so much time. It's always gotta take time. Ooh, would you look at that? Ooh. What's this? Ooh, I'm creating lines. Interesting. So Pigeon says, like, my character has a bug that I don't know where is the problem, so yeah, I'm not rewriting the entire code. Yeah, so here's the thing. I want to create a pattern like this one right here that you see here. With these 3 tiles. And I don't know how to do that. It says drag and drop or paste tile map selection here to store a pattern. But how do I select this? How do I select it? I mean, I'm trying to do it like this. And it just doesn't work. I just want to have different patterns, that's all. I just want to have them. I just want to have different patterns. Doesn't matter why. I just want to have different patterns. For the funsies. Do you know how to do that? It looks like this is kind of selected. I'm trying to copy this. Oh. Wait. I did something. How do I mean, I did this. And how do I put it here? So here's the tile set editor. And now what? Do I make an alternative tile? So I can create an alternative tile from it. But then what? This is confusing. Do I use select here? Select? I don't know. Auto tile bit masking. Wait. Wait. I think I did something. Is that a single tile? No, it's not a single tile. It's 2 tiles. No. I wanted them to be a single tile. Maybe I can merge them together. Can I merge them together? Okay, I'm gonna look up auto tile bit mask in Godot. Let's see. Someone asked about it 2 years ago. This is about Godot 3, and I don't know if it makes sense to me. Ooh, I see, that's interesting. Ooh, hello, Green, welcome in. I am currently trying to understand tiles in Godot. And I should have started with like maybe square tiles because they're supposed to be easier. And I just jumped right into the hex tiles. Ah, Sir Pigeon, I'm happy you asked. This is the rabbit game actually. But you have requested a butcher. So this is the butcher level. I'm trying to figure out the tiles stuff for the butcher level. Yes. Yeah, I have a lot to learn though. I will add it. This is the setup. This is the setup to add it. It will take me time to get there though. It will take me a lot of time to get there. You know? It'll take me some time. I need to learn the basics first. But this is for the butcher indeed. The butcher that you have suggested for the rabbits. But I don't call them rabbits, I call them bunnies. Bunnies are so much cuter. Don't you think? Well, I have some tutorials to read. That's what I take from today. Yes. Shift left click on the tile. Where? Here? On the paint tool? Okay. Shift left click on the tile. Ooh, then what? Oh, it painted all of them. And they changed color. Is that what you meant to happen? I guess you did. And then Control C. Now what? A. What it does? That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, let's give it a try again. But it's just painting them, you know? Let's try. So, first we shift left click on a tile. Then we do Control C and then we Control V. And we control them. Then we do Control V to the patterns and it's just, it doesn't do that. Ah! I need to read some tutorials. I don't know, will it be you place it in the scene? I mean, I tried. It doesn't do anything. Well, that's not exactly what I'm looking for anyway. What I'm looking for is to create an object. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, Sir Pigeon. I just want different objects like this, for example, and I don't know, like this. I want all of these to be 3 different objects that I will be able to multiply. My car will be in danger. Do you mean Starly? Starly's not a car. Starly's not a car. Why did you call him a car? Eh? Starly can pretty much handle you on his own. Hey, let's live it like that. Hey. So it's like, I wanna have this kind of pattern probably, and maybe this kind of pattern. All sorts of patterns that I would like to have. I guess I will need to figure it out offline because it's not going to be very interesting for you to just see me reading articles, right? It's just going to be me reading articles. A reaction stream to articles, to tutorials. Would that be interesting for you guys? Or should I do it off stream? Like, I don't know. I feel like it's going to be too boring to just look at me reading stuff. I mean, unless I'm mistaken, but I'm probably, I don't know. Green, are you familiar with hexagons in Godot? Or tile maps in general? I'll probably have to figure it all out offline. And then try again on stream. But at least I am a little bit more familiar with how it works. The tile map, as you can see, we get different numbers when we click on different tiles, so that's good. At least that part works. Okay, let's go back to the tutorials. Using multiple tile selection. Oh. Creating alternative tiles. Sometimes you want to use a single tile image, but configured in a different way. For example, you may want to use the same tile image, but rotated, flipped, or modulated with a different color. Yes, but this is still just one square or one hexagon. Okay, what if I want multiple of them? As objects. Selecting tiles to use for painting. Still not it. Not quite it. Ooh. Ooh, I see that a pattern can be saved. Let's see. Well, you can copy and paste tiles while in select mode. Select mode. You may wish to save pre-made patterns of tiles to place together in a go. Yes, this is it. This is what we need. I tried to do it the manual way, but it takes too much time. It takes so much time. To create a new pattern, switch to select mode. Ooh, let's switch to select mode. Okay, select mode. Depends on what kind of time they're supposed to take. It really depends. It really depends. Okay, so we are in select mode. Now what? This is like manual work. If you're doing way too much manual work, it means that you're not doing things right. It's a rule. You select mode, perform a selection, and press Ctrl C. How do I perform a selection? Ctrl C. Ctrl V. Oh. But construction workers are paid to do this manual work. I'm not paid to do this manual work. How do I select those? Eh? How do I select this? Perform a selection. How do I perform a selection? The tutorial ads in my stream. Wait, do I have ads in my stream? Eh? They're going to YouTube ad revenue, not to me. So this is a selection I'm trying to do, but this doesn't work either. I need to... I'm in the select. Here, I'm in the select. I'm in the select part. And they tell me to perform a selection. How do I perform a selection? How do I perform a selection? It doesn't select anything. 핸드소요. It's like I can only perform a selection here. Can I? Can I perform selections elsewhere? No, I have... Okay, let me show you. Do you see this right here? It already works. It already works. But I have to do it manually. I don't want to do more of them manually. I have so many more patterns to create. I will not make all of them manually. It doesn't make sense. We're out of time for this stream. Let's see what we're gonna do tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to stream exactly at the same time as today. Starting from 5 p.m. Central European Time. It's going to be tomorrow. And I really hope to see you tomorrow. I hope to see you. And maybe we will continue. Either we're going to continue with the Godot stuff and the X-Grid stuff if I will. I mean... Wait. Start purging. Maybe you first you draw my characters and then we can discuss. And then we can discuss. Draw SpaceC first. Yeah. Alright. So tomorrow, 5 p.m. Central European Time, I will stream for 2 hours. We'll either do the Godot stuff if I will read enough of the tutorial. And if not, then we will play some Tunic. I have started playing Tunic, which is a very cute game. Looks like it's Zelda inspired. And I think it'll be awesome. Do SpaceC first. It's going to be your test. Alright. So yeah, thank you for joining today. Really appreciate it. And have a lovely rest of your time zone.